Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Marwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a very basic tutorial. I'm showing you how to make homemade yogurt. It sounds very easy, but whenever I was making it, it was not turning out good. So I thought to share some tips and tricks which I learned along the way with you guys. So let's go and make it happen. So let's start with Bismillah. First we need to cook our milk. Today I'm using full fat or whole milk. And we need some yogurt, pre-made yogurt. You can use homemade as well. And I just put it in the bowl and I'll put this by the stove so the temperature of the yogurt will come down a bit. Now we need to cook our milk until the temperature reaches to 180 degrees. Now if you don't have a thermometer, you just need to cook your milk until it's just start to boil, just right before boiling. So switch off the flame and put it on the side, and now let it cool down until the temperature reach 110. Now again, if you don't have it, have the thermometer, you can check it until you can like feel the warm, but it's not like hot. So I am taking a cup of milk out from that pot and then adding the yogurt and mix it very well. Now you can add the yogurt into like all the milk, but this way it's easier and it's mixed through completely. So after mixing the yogurt with the milk, I'm transferring onto the remaining milk and mix well until it's completely mixed through. Now we need to transfer it to the container where we are just keeping our yogurt. So today I am using the yogurt which we get from the store, so the store-bought yogurt container. I just wash it completely and transfer this milk in there. Now we need to keep it somewhere where it has like a very warm temperature. So I put it in oven, wrap with the towel and leave the light open of my oven. So now leave it for at least 4 to 6 hours, or depending on the weather, if it's too warm it's going to be done quickly as well. So that's it, just take it out and the yogurt is completely set. You can see the curdles at this time, and after taking out from the oven, just let it come to regular room temperature, cover and put it in the fridge. And you can use this homemade yogurt which have no preservative, which is perfect, creamy and delicious for any of the recipe. You can make lassi, smoothie, you can cook regular desi khana as well, even if you can like eat it like this because it tastes so good. And if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you have any other tips as well, please share them in the comments. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more videos like this.